Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve Techfest and the Q, which is Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. Here we are given starting number and an ending number. Including both the numbers, we have to find sum of all the powers of prime factors for these numbers. Okay, to simplify it, these are the starting and ending number. So for 9, what will be prime factorization? It will be 3 raised to the power 2. Forget about 3. Just remember about 2. It is 2. We'll store it. Okay. For 10, it will be this one. And what is the power? 1 and 1. Add it. Add all the powers. We need to find sum of powers. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 for 9, 2 for 10, 4 till now. For 11, it is just 1 since it is a prime number. Store it. 4 for 9 and 10 and 11, 1 for 11, it will be 5 till here. And for 12, it is 2 and 1. Add it. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 till earlier and 3 here. 8. For example 2, 24 to 27. For 24, it is 3 plus 1. Just see the powers. Store it. 4. For 25, it is 2. 4 plus 2, 6. For 26, it is 1 plus 1, 2 again. 6 till 24 and 25, and 2 here, 8. Okay. For 27, it is 3, then 8 till previous steps, and 3 here, 11. So we will divide our question into two parts. We will first calculate all the smallest prime factors starting from A to B, okay, using the CA of Aristotelian's method. Then we will count the calculate the count of all the prime factors. Okay, so first let me create a variable X for percentage b plus 1. This will store all the prime factors. Okay, I have declared it. Now I will calculate it for I in range to square root of b. Yeah, square root plus 1. Then if a is a number, if a is a number here there over there, we will fill our factors for j in range b plus 1 and jump to index I. Okay, now we'll just we just reach the prime factor and we will store it. Till here we have stored all the smallest prime factors from A to B. Okay, now we will just calculate the count. Initialize with 0 for I in range A till B. Okay, B plus 1. If I is greater than 1, what? We will divide it by its prime factor. We will divide I with its prime factor. So if we are at, let's say, this number 24, okay, what are its prime factor? 2, 2, 2, and 3. But it is 2 to the power 3, but it is 3 times 2. We will divide this number with its prime factors, which will yield us the count of prime factors. Okay. Okay. Now prime count will be increased by 1 and divide this with its prime factors. Make it smaller. Return this prime count. This should do its job. It may submit it for you. Yeah, it does the job in pretty less time. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.